My name is Sammy Bradar, Associate Group Editor for the National Provisioner. I'm here today with Dan Friend, Grote Company Lifecycle Leader. Dan, thank you so much for joining me today.
I appreciate you having me on.
Absolutely. So today we're going to have a conversation about slicing, dicing, and cutting trends. So to kick off today's conversation, Dan, what are the most significant slicing, dicing, and cutting trends you're currently seeing in the meat and poultry processing industry?
So we've been talking with our marketing team and things like that to talk through what those things are. But we're seeing an increased demand from customers just to get more throughput, more precision, more consistency in their cutting, trying to reduce their costs as well as be able to reduce consumer costs, higher throughput, less dependency, looking for more robotic automation and automation forms of that nature. Customers are looking for modularity, easy sanitation, easy changeover. All those are big right now in the market.
Absolutely, 100% agreed. How is consumer demand for portion control, convenience, and clean label products? How have all those things influenced cutting technology developments?
In general, consumers are demanding these preferences. They're causing processors to move much faster in their equipment, requires more flexibility, more equipment solutions, creating very tight relationships with our suppliers to address new trends, new processes, new packaging solutions. Within the portion control things, we're seeing a ton of increase in like ready-to-eat meals, things of that nature that are being driven. Those also meet nutritional, economic, and operational goals for customers and consumers as well. Clean label safety is a very important thing that impacts processors and how they handle their equipment. They're pushing for more hygienic designs, simplified operation and sanitation. And they just keep driving those demands higher and higher.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And looking specifically at product formats like strips, cubes, and shreds, are there any product formats in particular that are really gaining popularity in the market right now?
Much of the smaller things, they make a bunch of ready-to-eat meals or packed meals that consumers like your local gas stations or even local grocery stores have at the ready-to-eat. So a lot smaller cubed or diced or chunks that are prepackaged for single-eat meals or ready-to-go meals. Those seem to be a high situation that we see a lot of, that the Grote family of brands is looking at how they can prioritize that through packaging and through their Grote family of brands for SDI. PFI, ProFab, all of those are involved in the start to finish process of this production.
Absolutely. That convenience driven on the go consumer is definitely looking for those specific product formats. Looking specifically at automation, Dan, what role is automation playing in the evolution of meat slicing and dicing processes? And I'm sure you can give me some insights specifically from Grote.
Sure, absolutely. Automation is no longer like a luxury for customers. It's essential that they have it. It addresses labor shortages, enhances accuracy, improves traceability, integrating robotic loading or unloading of the process, vision systems, recipe controlled, cutting into the systems. Those are big things that Grote's already involved in. We do a lot of vision. We do a lot of SCADA systems, integration with the equipment to make all the equipment smarter and more useful to the customer, provides both improved safety and throughput, reduces human touch points for errors, and just, again, continues to drive those things further as we go. And we see that automation as being a primary function that's happening everywhere with every customer we have.
I hear so often at trade shows I go to throughout the year, it's not the future, it's now. You got to start automating now. It's not down the line. It's not 5-10 years from now. It's now. Looking at features that processors should prioritize. What features in their equipment can processors prioritize to minimize both microbial harborage or cross-contamination during product changeovers?
Yeah, absolutely. So the Grote team focuses within all of our brands of creating items like toolless disassembly for quick access and cleaning, toolless changeover components that make wash down in CIP environments or COP environments very easy to use. Those things drive, again, being able to change multiple SKUs. More customers want to run more SKUs. It's more variety. It's easier to sell. And then being sure that like material resistance, corrosion resistant type or microbial resistant components are used in all of our components and our manufacturing process.
Absolutely, absolutely. And Dan, is there anything else regarding slicing, dicing, or cutting equipment that you'd like to share with the National Provisioner audience today?
Yeah, absolutely. The future meat slicing is smarter, cleaner. It's more integrated. At the Grote Company, we're investing in these innovative designs. We want to make smart predictive maintenance with your equipment, integrated data collection to give processors more control, more uptime, and improve food safety. And ideally, Grote in general is just committed to working side by side with their processors, launching new products or optimizing existing lines to deliver equipment that's built to the highest quality standards of today's demands and tomorrow's possibilities.
Well, Dan, thank you so much for all of these great insights. Our processors love to know what's trending, what's hot right now in meat processing as a whole, but especially within slicing, dicing, and cutting techniques. So thank you for all of these profound and in-depth insights.
Thank you very much for having me. I appreciate it.
Well, thank you so much, Dan. Again, I'm Cindy from the National Provisioner.